What's on the menu today? It is cabbage curry. I know I seem obsessed with cabbage, but this one we used to have every Thursday when I used to go and do my friend's yoga class. Since COVID, it's not happened, so this is this is for them. This is for Penny, Jill and Hannah, and then Karen calls the yoga chicken, who would occasionally turn up. Cabbage curry. Simple white cabbage. Simple white onions. Simple white garlic. And then we are going to make that colourful with some turmeric. We're going to make it tasty with some mustard seeds and some, look at our cumin seeds. Our cumin seeds. We're going to flavour it with some garam masala. And then because I'm just having rice, I need a little bit of protein. So like I've got 3/4 cup of brown rice and the rest 1/4 cup topped up with these mung dhal. So they're like a half split green lentil. And then to make that damn tasty, I'm going to crush 5 cardamom seeds. 5, don't know why. I'm going to add 3 cloves of garlic, and then I've got some dried chili that I need to use up, and I'm going to put those in my rice. A little bit of a chilied flavoured rice. That's going to have 2 cups. It's 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water, and as it's brown rice, it's the cook and seal method. So you put your water in there, you bring it up to boil, and then you put a timer on for about 20-25 minutes, turn the timer off, leave the lid on, let it steam. Simple as that. Now I'm going to crack on with my curry and show you where I'm up to with that. This is a little bit of coconut oil. Use any oil that you've got. You know, I'm not fussy. And I put loads of seeds in there because I love loads of seeds. So that's a tablespoon of cumin and mustard seeds. But you just leave them, and then they were sizzling and popping. Now when they start to sizzle, then that's when you start to add your garlic, your onions, saute them off a little bit. Then putting in your cabbage and your spices and build it up like that. So I'm going to warm through the garlic. In fact, it's there, just chuck that in. Warm through the garlic, chuck my onions on top, get them all nicely warming around a little bit, moving around in the pan a little bit. Add my cabbage. Meanwhile, rice is over there cooking away. Oh, you can hear that. What a nice sound. Sizzle. So this is how I test my rice. So I've had that on for 20 minutes, and then I have the lid on and I'm just tipping it forwards. Then if I see that there is some liquid left, a little bit, normally it's okay, I just leave the lid on and it will just cook in the residual heat and cook and steam itself off. So that's my guide. But this is because I use short grain organic brown rice, which cooks longer, but the taste is nutty. It lasts longer in your belly because it's got more to process, if you know what I mean. So that's your rice. The cabbage, I am going to, at the last 5 minutes, I'm going to chuck some peas in. This is how it's looking at the moment. Looking and smelling. So chop them up. Whoa. I chopped up the cabbage into squares. No mathematician, they don't need to be evil, but you know, like a square shape rather than thinly slicing it. Oh, that just smells so nice. So we're just going to add the finishing touches and then dish up and eat. It's all cooked up now. Because the lentils, it's going to go a little bit mushy, which, sorry, a bit noisy, but I quite like that. And what I am doing when I'm dishing it out, I'm looking for the cardamom pods and for the cloves. And then if I can grab them, I always get them out. There's nothing worse than biting into a cardamom or a clove. That's plenty. So, and that bit of chilli running through that. Not only is it giving it a really good flavour, but it's just giving it a little bit of colour, and it's giving it a lot of heat, to be fair. It's got a lot of heat, and now you can see that once we've got those peas in, oh my goodness, that has really changed the dish. And so that's taken me, it's quite a lot. Just over half an hour. And I'm going to be eating that all week. So there we go. Some rice and lentils with some flavours in, and a cabbage curry. Can't help but doing that. Hope you enjoy making it as much as I do. Enjoy.